Are you a social media manager struggling to consistently create engaging content that resonates with your audience? What if there was a powerful tool that could revolutionize your content creation process? Introducing ChatGPT, the AI-powered language model that's changing the game for social media content creators. This innovative technology can help you generate fresh ideas, craft compelling posts, and save valuable time in your content creation workflow. Let's dive into how ChatGPT can transform your social media strategy and boost your online presence. First, ChatGPT excels at brainstorming content ideas. By simply providing a topic or theme, you can receive a wealth of creative suggestions for posts, captions, and even entire content series. This feature is particularly useful when you're facing writer's block or need inspiration for your next viral campaign. For example, if you're managing a fitness brand's social media, you could ask ChatGPT to generate ideas for workout motivation posts. The AI might suggest topics like 5 morning habits for a healthier you, or quick 10-minute workouts for busy professionals. These prompts can serve as excellent starting points for your content creation process. But ChatGPT doesn't stop at ideation. It can also help you craft engaging captions and posts. By providing some basic information about your brand's voice and target audience, you can use ChatGPT to generate tailored content that speaks directly to your followers. This ensures consistency in your messaging while maintaining a human touch. Imagine you're working on a post about a new product launch. You can ask ChatGPT to create several caption options, each with a different tone or focus. This allows you to choose the best fit for your brand or even mix and match elements to create the perfect post. One of the most time-consuming aspects of social media management is creating content for multiple platforms. ChatGPT can help streamline this process by adapting your content for different social media channels. Simply input your original post and specify the target platform, and ChatGPT will adjust the length, tone, and format to suit each network's unique requirements. For instance, it can transform a long-form LinkedIn article into a series of punchy tweets or convert a text-based Facebook post into a script for a TikTok video. This versatility ensures that your message is optimized for each platform without the need for extensive manual rewrites. ChatGPT is also an excellent tool for generating engaging questions and prompts to boost audience interaction. By asking the AI to create thought-provoking questions related to your content, you can encourage more comments, shares, and overall engagement on your posts. This increased interaction can help improve your visibility on social media algorithms and foster a stronger connection with your audience. Another valuable feature of ChatGPT is its ability to assist with hashtag research and generation. By analyzing your content and understanding trending topics, the AI can suggest relevant hashtags to expand your reach and connect with new audiences. This can be particularly useful for staying on top of rapidly changing trends and ensuring your content remains discoverable. For businesses managing multiple social media accounts, ChatGPT can help maintain a consistent brand voice across all platforms. By training the AI on your brand guidelines and key messaging, you can ensure that all generated content aligns with your overall marketing strategy. This consistency is crucial for building brand recognition and trust among your followers. ChatGPT can also be a powerful tool for creating social media content calendars. By providing the AI with your content themes, important dates, and marketing objectives, you can generate a comprehensive content plan for weeks or even months in advance. This allows you to maintain a steady stream of posts while leaving room for real-time engagement and trending topics. It's important to note that while ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool, it should be used as an aid rather than a replacement for human creativity and judgment. The AI-generated content should always be reviewed, edited, and personalized to ensure it truly reflects your brand's unique voice and meets your specific marketing goals. Additionally, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for social media managers looking to improve their skills. By analyzing the AI-generated content and understanding the principles behind effective social media writing, you can enhance your own content creation abilities over time. As social media continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for maintaining a strong online presence. By incorporating ChatGPT into your content creation workflow, you can save time, generate fresh ideas, and consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Ready to revolutionize your social media content creation process? Start using ChatGPT today and watch your engagement soar to new heights.